In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts in Framer. If you've ever wanted to use your own custom fonts instead of the default ones, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that step by step. By the end, you'll know how to bring in any properly licensed font file and have it ready to use across your Framer project. First, open Framer in your browser and go to your project dashboard. Make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace or team where your project is located. From here, choose the project where you want to use your custom fonts. This is important because font settings are managed per project, so you'll want to be sure you're updating the right one. Once your project is open, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this near the top of the interface or in a menu related to the project. Click on Settings to open up the configuration panel for this specific project. This is where Framer lets you control things like domains, performance options, and in our case, typography. Inside the settings panel, find the section labeled Fonts. Go ahead and click on Fonts. This area is dedicated to managing all the typefaces that your project can use. You'll see any fonts that are already available, including Framer's default fonts and any custom ones you may have previously added. Now, to bring in a new font, look for the Upload button within the Fonts section. Click on Upload. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Here, navigate to the folder where you've saved your font files. Framer typically supports common formats like TTF, OTF, and WOFF, so make sure your font is in one of these formats before you begin. Select the font file or files you want to upload and confirm your choice. Framer will then process and add them to your project's font list. The upload might take a moment, especially if the files are large, so give it a second to finish. Once the upload is complete, your new font should appear in the list of available fonts inside the font settings. From there, you can head back to your design canvas and apply your custom font to text layers using the typography controls, just like you would with any built-in font. And that's all you need to do